Guys, today I am back in what's the game called again? Don't press the button. And what we got? Deliver the pizza to the house that's the same color pizza. Okay, oh, okay, I don't know what this means. Oh, that means I left a comment to you. Don't move. Okay, don't move. Alright. Ah! Bro, I thought it ended. Alright, so.
I'm joining you.
Oh, my cousin's joining me again. So, yeah, my cousin's gonna be, might be in every video.
My new outfit? Are you ready to see my new outfit?
Again? Okay, well, okay. Oh, the lava is rising. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Ooh, ooh.
I'm probably gonna be the one to die.
Probably.
Oh, look. It's loading.
Oh my god,
I've never played this game before.
This game is so laggy, though. Oh! I suck at hobbies. I suck at parkour and all that. Oh, he named the game the cool guy. What bro? Oh, you're right here. Oh!
Hey.
Ooh, nice, bro. Nice outfit, though.
Yeah, I got marshmallow.
Nice. Alright, we're just gonna wait for this to load.
Oh!
We got a ducky, though.
Wait, did we saw that? Dude, look how laggy this is for me.
Oh god, that's extremely laggy. Run away from the tornado! What is this game?
I don't see this. Wait, what?
Oh god, and there we go.
Wait, I couldn't see the tornado.
Oh yeah, it's hard to see the tornado, but god, okay. Come on. Come on, bro. Come on, damn fat ass tornado. Alright, come on, bro. Yo, don't not get tornado. Just killing me, bro. I'm a ducky though. Ducky, Mr. Quacks, bro. Mr. Quacks right here. Quack, 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 quack.
Wow.
Quack, quack. Quack.
I got a coin.
Quack.
I got 10 coins in diamond.
Quack, quack.
I'm pressing the button.
So what would you say, Mr. Quackers?
Okay.
Oh, move!
What? Speaking of quacks,
This
I have
is weird.
I
Quackers.
have a
Quack's favorite. Mr. Quack's favorite meal is Quackers.
Look, I have a duck.
You have a duck as well, bro. Oh, Doge.
Oh, Doge.
Go to the shop. What do you have? 60 bucks.
The Doges.
You'll have a lot of items. Fireworks exclusive. You can start off 2021 with a bang. Yo, look, they just updated this.
Wow.
Ooh, that's nice. It's an exclusive item.
Doge.
Get Doge. My friend's actually named Doge King. Remember? Yeah, one of our cousins named Doge King. He loves Doge.
This is it.
Oh my god, Doge has a fat head though.
Look at me.
Look at the size of Mr. Quackers and look at the size of Doge. Who will win in a fight? Of course, Mr. Quackers.
Yeah.
Mr. Quackers will win. He'll quack you. Mr. Quackers.
They forgot to take out this Doge.
Mr. Quackers. Oh, and there you go. There goes Doge.
There goes Doge. Pobrecito Doge.
Yeah. Oh, go. Here we go again.
I hate this. I hate all these. I hate all these, dude.
Oh god, we're gonna lose. We're gonna lose.
I hate all these.
Oh god, I lagged out. I lagged out.
I hate all these. I hate all these.
Don't make your hate on hate. No, bro, it gets too laggy.
Died.
It literally gets too laggy on my screen when there's like lava or some sort of disaster going on. Oh my god, bro, nice ducky. Oh my god, we got Quackers. We got the Quacker twins.
Look at mine.
Come on, take out Mr. Quackies.
Oh, I fell down.
Take out Mr. Quackies. You're Quack. I mean, you're Quack. You're Duck. Okay, it's the same color of your house. Okay, we gotta go up here. What are you gonna pay us money or what are we gonna do?
Whoever picks up to that house that has the same color, they picks a lot.
Yeah, you just gotta go. Yeah, the same color of your pizza box.
Mine's is red.
Then go to a red house. Go like behind the other houses and see.
Here your pizza. There we go.
Oh, you're right here, bro. I got chocolate milk though, bro.
Where's Mr. Quack at?
Mr. Quacker's right here.
My Quack says, well, how dare you take my son out?
Look at this, bro. Oh, this chocolate milk is very delicious. As well as this Bloxy Cola. I got a gun.
Wait, every coin is...
I got a gun.
Oh.
Happy bang. Gotcha, bro. That's not... Oh, get in the picture. Get in the picture. Hey, technically get in the picture, bro. I want to be on top of somebody's head.
Oh, here, you can be on top of my head.
No. Oh, what was that? Did it? Wait, oh no. Let's look at the picture right here. Wow. You got a noodle.
Oh, wait, what?
Nice.
Wait, it actually
the coin.
takes a picture of you?
Yeah, it actually takes the picture, you know. Like, get on the platform!
Run.
I got it.
Oh!
Yes!
Wait, I was in it. What do you mean?
We're a bit slow, buddy.
Are we playing with Dennis Daily right now?
Oh, I got a hot dog, bro. I got a big... Oh, my God. What just happened? Who did this, bro? Where's the fire extinguisher? Oh, it's over there. Yeah, I got a hot dog. I also got Mr. Teddy. I got Teddy Bear right here. Yeah, bro, he's hugging me. Like.
The belt is on fire.
I also got a cookie from Adopt Me.
Yeah.
We all died.
Yeah, Louise.
I was playing. I was eating a cookie.
I will press the button.
Look at the cookie though. The cookie's nice.
Wait, you at?
I also got a pizza. With a blow. What is this? What is this game?
I'm stuck.
I'm eating cake. What am I doing? What am I doing?
Stop.
Oh no! I died. What just happened to this? Wait, here. Let me do this. Let me go on to the game. Sorry for the bad content, guys. I need to go. Oh man. It looks like I can only eat.
Oh, I got yeeted. What do you mean?
Yeah, yeeted, bro. You got yeeted. You got yeeted.
Wait, I survived.
I got a pizza.
Really?
Yeah. I also got watermelon.
A brew?
Oh my God, bro.
Ah.
What? Look at my head though. Look at my head though, bro. Gonna be a headbutt. Let's go. Bam.
I can't move.
We'll restart. Oh God, what was that?
The Kiki is alive.
I also got a taco. I got a taco, bro. I got a taco.
I died of the... Oh.
Wait, get ready to... Oh, we have to just walk around the tiles on this one. I've seen this one. Just walk around the tiles to get them to another color. Come on, Happy. We're on the same team. Yeah.
Okay, I'm doing it.
You gotta get them blue. Gotta get them all blue.
Nope.
Get them all blue instead of the other one.
Oh, let's get them blue. Nope.
I'm gonna scrub my face on it.
This is so fun.
Time's up. Let's see who won. Oh, red. Blue team won. Woo!
Yay!
Blue team is awarded 20 coins. Yay!
Wait, that means I can buy something from the shop.
I got a s'more as well.
Wait, I can buy a wooden sword.
Wait, what the?
I bought it. I bought a wooden sword.
I think I have that. I'm not sure.
Look at my wooden sword.
I got ice cream. Have you want an ice cream?
Hi, Lise.
Let me eat my ice cream in peace. I got a sandwich which looks so old, bro. Look at this ice cream.
My mom bought me this a toy sword.
Oh, that's nice, bro. I still got a big head though. Hey, who wants Robux?
Oh, wait, someone got a badge.
Who wants money, bro? Happy New Year. Awarded. I got a badge as well. Oh, boom, shakalaka. Oh, that's a bomb. Get a bomb. Push the bomb. Push it. And what just happened? Who wants money?
Hey, Sauce, Michael here.
What was that? That was rude.
Okay.
Oh, get on the platform! You're not gonna make it. Oh, you made it! I got a fart plushie. Or whatever.
Does it stink? Oh.
Oh, yo, yes, here we go. Are we on the same team? Yeah, we gotta get them blue. Gotta get all of this blue. I gotta make all of this red.
Hurry, buddy, hurry up.
I'll make all of this.
This is so fun, man. Wait, are we in the same team?
Yeah. No, we're winning this. Please tell us we win. Yes, bro.
We're better. Yay!
Yes, bro. Wait, how many?
I said yay.
I got 160 things. See, Coil?
I got 60. Oh, wait, what is
I can buy a foam finger. What is this?
Oh, look.
Oh, we gotta go in there.
Please help me. No, please.
Oh, no. It's gonna eat my butt, bro. No, you gotta come to get points. You just gotta do this. You gotta wait until it eats you. It's gonna fight you out.
Man.
It actually does the first one. The little fart thing. Fart sound effect.
I got farted. I got yeeted.
What? A s'more. I got some ice cream. I got some hot chocolate.
I got a wooden sword.
Oh!
The memes.
Oh no! We all
Wait,
died.
the meme got me. Wait, that girl didn't die though.
I know, she's lucky.
She's lucky.
She's heaven. I was like,
do you like my hat? Do you like my...
Oh, survive the lava spinner. You gotta jump. Yeah!
This is actually easy.
Oh, Happy gets... Oh! I died! Happy... Oh, really, Happy? Happy, it's gonna go faster and faster.
What do you mean, dude? What is this? What is it? Oh, I was the first one! Because he died first, and then I died.
Okay, cool. Look, Happy, look how fast it goes. What other boy? Oh, no. Oh, she's like, oh, no. I forgot this sign. You like this sign? Look at my sign. Look at my sign, though. I love don't press the button. We also have...
You like it, though.
I got a torch. Ooh.
I got a wooden sword, dude.
She probably said ooh to me, bro. I got a trumpet.
Oh, Victory Royale!
Yo, stop screaming, though. Stop screaming, though. Stop screaming. Don't scream. Don't scream. I got a trumpet.
I'm gonna press the button, Luis.
We got some cakes. Wait, oh, we got laser guns. Oh, God. Oh, I got someone. How do you want to die? Oh, Javi! What? Javier, what did you just do to me? You just oofed me.
Am I gonna win?
You don't know. We got a cake as well. Yummy. It's very yummy, man.
Oh, yeah, I won.
I got a foam finger.
Woohoo! I got a wooden sword. Look, I got bows in the back. I don't have a wooden sword. That's how you know what's popping.
Look what I got. Yeah, look what I got. Look. I'm not to brag, but look. Looky.
I'm the dude.
Oh, it said looking my inventory. Whoa, I'm so fast. Can I cheat inside of the game? No, wait, can I cheat? I can cheat. I'm gonna get faster. I'm around the same team, I think. Yeah, we're on the same team. I can clear more stuff because I'm faster. Look at this. I'm fast as crap. Fast as crappy crap. Gotta drink some more, bro.
That guy is so tall. What do you mean? Did he even know the game, though?
Did we win?
Yeah!
We won. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. Wait, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like the video. Oh, wait. After this, we're gonna go into Abby. Hopefully, I'm not too good. My cousin said he's bad at obbies. Oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Make sure to subscribe. Wait, make sure to subscribe, like the video, turn the bell on, and comment down below. Keep it, or just stay positive. Now comment down below. I'll actually comment here. Who are you talking to, though?
I'm talking to her.
Oh, okay. Okay, well, see ya. See ya and peace. Have a good night.